Hello everyone, this is Henry from UTT Technologies. In this video, I'm going to introduce you how to configure Tag VLAN on UTT routers, model Hyper 840G. First, let's take a look at the requirements. It is required to set up 3 VLANs, and the parameters are as this. Requirement: PCA can connect to server. PCB cannot connect to server and PCA. It's like that is to say PCA and server A can communicate with each other. However, PCB is isolated from PCA and server, and PCA is connected to LAN 1, server is connected to LAN 2, and PCB is connected to LAN 3. So what configuration we should do to meet this user's requirements? First, we need to configure DHCP address pool. DHCP. Click on Add to add a new DHCP pool. Address pool name. And the IP address. Default gateway. Just do as the requirements say. Click on Save. So the first DHCP port has been successfully set up. Do the same thing to set up the other two DHCP port. The last one. Okay, the 3 DHCP address pool have been successfully set up. Let's go to step 2, configuring tag-based VLAN. Go to Tag VLAN, LAN Tag VLAN, and click on Add to add a new VLAN. VLAN name. It specifies the VLAN name of the Tag VLAN. VLAN ID 6. Membership port 1. It specifies the port number which belongs to this VLAN. Tagging rule: untag. System will remove the VLAN tag from this packet when setting untag as a tagging rule. When setting untag, the system will remain the tag in the packet. Enable DHCP server for this VLAN and select the address pool for this VLAN. Specify the gateway IP address and gateway subnet mask for this VLAN. Click on Save. And this is how to set up a VLAN. Click on Add to add more VLAN. Choose the address pool for VLAN room 2. Click on Save. Click Add to add the other VLAN. Select the address pool for this VLAN. Click on Save. Now we have successfully set up 3 VLAN. Let's go to port VLAN ID. And we need to configure port VLAN ID. Because port 1 belongs to VLAN room 1 and whose ID is 6, so port 1's ID is 6. And port 2 is 7, port 3 is 8. These port VLAN ID are in line with the VLAN ID we have configured under Tag VLAN setting. Click Save. Because VLAN room 1 and VLAN room 2 can communicate with each other, so we need to put a route between VLAN room 1 and VLAN room 2. Select room 1 and room 2 and click on this button. Room 1 and room 2 goes to VLAN with routine. Click on Save. Now VLAN room 1 and VLAN room 2 can communicate with each other. However, VLAN room 3 is isolated from VLAN room 1 and VLAN room 2. Please pay attention that one DHCP pool can only be used for only one Tag VLAN group, and it is strongly recommended that set the Tag VLAN role as on-tag when this LAN port is directly connected to the PC or laptop. So this is how to configure a Tag VLAN on Hyper 840G router. Thank you.